Are you tired of rushing between back-to-back meetings with no break? Learn how to enable Speedy meetings in under 30 seconds. We'll open Settings, find Event Settings, and flip one toggle. You'll never manually pad your calendar again. Start by clicking the gear icon for Settings in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now scroll down to the Event Settings section. Finally, toggle on Speedy Meetings. It shortens new meetings to create buffers. And you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.